Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload full-size profile picture on Facebook. So you can't upload full-size Facebook profile picture using your Facebook application. You have to use the desktop version of Facebook. So open your browser, then type and search www.facebook.com, then log into your account. I will use the save data. To go to your profile, tap the hamburger menu, then tap on your name. Now you have to upload your new profile picture as a private photo. Go to post section, tap on photo, then upload your new profile picture. It is better if you select only me. After little while, we will delete this photo. To upload, tap on this post, then it will be posted. There are two methods. The first method is tap that photo to get the full view. Tap on three dots in the right corner and select make profile picture. So now the second method is scroll down. Now tap on your profile picture to get full view. Again scroll down and tap make profile picture. Now you can follow the same steps and select make profile picture. Just wait a second, you see profile picture change. Then if you go to your Facebook application, you can see your profile picture has been changed, and you see this is a full view of your profile picture. And now you can delete your old private photo. Scroll down, tap on your old profile picture, tap three dots, tap delete photo. That's how you upload full size profile picture onto Facebook. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.